Welcome to Agricultural Science for SS1 at Light Tech Academy. Today we study animal nutrition, feeds and feeding. What is animal nutrition? Animal nutrition is the science of providing farm animals with the correct nutrients in the right quantities, proportions, and forms to support growth, reproduction, health, and production, milk, eggs, meat, wool. Proper nutrition is the single most important factor in livestock performance after genetics. Classes of nutrients for animals. 1. Carbohydrates. Main energy source. Includes sugars, simple, fast energy, starch in grain, main energy in poultry and pig diets, and fiber, cellulose, hemicellulose. Ruminants digest fiber by microbial fermentation in the rumen. Sources: maize, sorghum, cassava, molasses, wheat bran. 2. Proteins. Needed for growth, muscle, reproduction, enzyme production, immune function, milk and egg production. Proteins are made of amino acids. Key: essential amino acids must be supplied in the diet, animals cannot synthesize them. Lysine and methionine are the most important limiting amino acids in poultry and pig diets. Sources: soybean meal, best plant protein for poultry, cottonseed meal, groundnut cake, fish meal, animal protein, best amino acid profile, blood meal, meat and bone meal. 3. Fats and oils, lipids. Concentrated energy source, 2.25 times energy of carbohydrates. Important for fat-soluble vitamin absorption, A, D, E, K. Essential fatty acids, linoleic acid. Used in poultry diets to increase energy density. Sources: palm oil, vegetable oils, tallow, fish oil. 4. Minerals. Macrominerals, needed in large amounts: calcium, Ca, bone and teeth formation, eggshell, major requirements for laying hens. Phosphorus, P, bone, energy metabolism. Ca, tongue sticking out ratio important, ideally 1.5-2 to 1 for most livestock. Sodium, Na, and chloride, Cl, common salt, osmotic balance, nerve function. Magnesium, Mg, potassium, K, sulfur, S. Microminerals/trace elements, iron, Fe, hemoglobin, prevents anemia. Zinc, Zn, immune function, reproduction. Copper, Cu, enzyme activity. Manganese, Mn, reproduction. Selenium, Se, antioxidant, prevents muscular dystrophy. Iodine, I, thyroid hormone. 5. Vitamins. Fat-soluble, vitamin A, retinal vision, epithelial health, immunity. Vitamin D, calciferol, calcium absorption, bone mineralization, deficiency equals rickets in young animals, osteomalacia in adults. Vitamin E, tocopherol, antioxidant, reproduction, muscular function. Vitamin K, blood clotting. Water-soluble, B vitamins, B1, thiamine, B2, riboflavin, B3, niacin, B6, pyridoxine, B12, cobalamin, folic acid, pantothenic acid, biotin, energy metabolism, red blood cell formation. Vitamin C, or ascorbic acid, produced by most animals except guinea pigs and humans. 6. Water. Most important nutrient. Water makes up 70% of the body. Essential for digestion, nutrient transport, temperature regulation, waste removal. Livestock must have constant access to clean, fresh water. Water restriction equals immediate drop in production. Types of livestock feeds. A. Roughages. Bulky, high-fiber feeds. Low energy density. Digestible by ruminants, cattle, sheep, goats, through microbial fermentation in the rumen. 1. Fresh, green, forages, grasses, elephant grass/Napier grass, Guinea grass, stylescence, central legume. Legumes, cowpea hay, lab, mucuna, higher protein than grasses. 2. Hay, dried forages, preserved for dry season. Baled grass or legume hay. 3. Silage, fermented, preserved forage, forage cut at high moisture, packed in silos or pits, fermented by lactic acid bacteria under anaerobic conditions. Preserves nutritional value for months. Maize silage is excellent for dairy cattle. 4. Crop residues, rice straw, sorghum stover, maize stover, groundnut tops, cowpea haulms. Cowpea haulms are high protein equals 12 to 15% CP, very valuable. Fed after harvest. 5. Root and tuber byproducts, cassava peels, yam peels. B. Concentrates. High nutrient, low fiber feeds. High energy or protein density. 1. Energy feeds, grain and byproducts maize grain, sorghum, millet, cassava chips, molasses, wheat bran, less digestible by pig/poultry. Maize is the king of energy feeds in monogastric diets. 2. Protein supplements, soybean meal, best plant protein, 44 to 48% crude protein. Groundnut cake, good protein. Cottonseed cake. Fish meal, best amino acid profile, expensive. Blood meal, meat and bone meal. 3. Mineral and vitamin supplements, premixes added to rations to supply trace minerals and vitamins. Balanced rations. A balanced ration provides all nutrients in the right amount and proportions for a specific class of animal, broiler chicken, dairy cow, growing pig, etc., at minimum cost. Ration formulation uses Poisson square method or linear programming to combine feedstuffs to meet the nutritional specifications. Feeding systems. 1. Grazing, pasture system. Ruminants graze pasture directly. Rotational grazing, field divided into paddocks, stock grazed in rotation to allow recovery. 0 grazing, stall feeding/cut and carry animals kept in pens, forage cut and brought to them. Reduces land use, prevents overgrazing. 2. Intensive feeding, feedlot animals confined and fed concentrate diets. Maximum growth rate and feed conversion efficiency. 3. Semi-intensive, mix of grazing and supplementary concentrates. Feed conversion ratio, FCR. FCR equals feed consumed, kg/weight gained, kg. Good broiler FCR, 1.6 to 1.8, needs 1.6 to 1.8 kilograms feed per 1 kilogram weight gain. Good dairy cow FCR measured as liters of milk per kg dry matter consumed. Feeding Nigerian livestock. Challenges: high cost of feed, maize prices fluctuate, soybean meal expensive. Alternatives: cassava leaf meal, protein supplement, morina leaf meal or high protein, vitamins, DDGS, distillers dried grains with solubles from ethanol plants, black soldier fly larvae, BSFL, emerging protein source. Remember, animal nutrition equals providing farm animals correct nutrients in right quantities for growth plus reproduction plus health plus production. 6 classes of nutrients. 1. Carbohydrates equals main energy source equals sugars plus starch plus fiber. Ruminants digest fiber by microbial fermentation in rumen equal sources. Maize plus sorghum plus cassava plus molasses. 2. Proteins equals growth plus reproduction plus enzyme production plus immune function plus milk and egg production equals made of amino acids equals essential amino acids must be in diet equals lysine and methionine equals most important limiting amino acids in poultry and pigs equals sources. Soybean meal plus groundnut cake plus fish meal plus blood meal. 3. Fats and oils equals concentrated. Energy, 2.25x carbohydrates plus fat-soluble vitamin absorption equals sources, palm oil plus vegetable oils. 4. Minerals equals macrominerals, calcium equals eggshell plus bone, phosphorus equals bone plus energy metabolism, Ca-ton sticking out ratio 1.5-2 to 1, sodium plus chloride equals common salt plus osmotic balance microminerals, iron equals hemoglobin, zinc equals immunity plus reproduction, selenium equals antioxidant plus prevents muscular dystrophy, iodine equals thyroid hormone 5. Vitamins equals fat-soluble, A equals vision plus immunity, D equals calcium absorption plus bone equals deficiency equals rickets, E equals antioxidant plus reproduction, K equals blood clotting, plus water soluble. The B vitamins equals energy metabolism. Vitamin C equals produced by most animals. 6. Water equals most important nutrient equals constant access to clean fresh water equals restriction equals immediate production drop. Types of feeds. Roughages equals bulky plus high fiber equals digestible by ruminants, fresh forages, grasses plus legumes, plus HAY, dried forages, plus silage, fermented preserved forage in silo/pits plus lactic acid bacteria plus anaerobic plus maize silage excellent for dairy cattle, plus crop residues, cowpea haulms equals 12-15% CP equals very valuable. Concentrates equals high nutrient plus low fiber, energy feeds, maize equals king of energy feeds plus sorghum plus cassava chips plus molasses protein supplements, soybean meal equals best plant protein 44-48% CP, groundnut cake, fish meal equals best amino acid profile, blood meal plus meat and bone meal mineral plus vitamin premixes. Balanced ration equals all nutrients in right amounts plus proportions for specific animal class at minimum cost, Pearson square method or linear programming. Feeding systems, grazing, rotational grazing equals paddocks plus zero grazing/cut and carry equals animals in pens plus forage brought to them intensive/feedlot equals concentrated diets plus maximum growth rate, semi-intensive. FCI equals feed consumed/weight gained, good broiler FCI equals 1.6-1.8. Challenges, high feed cost, alternatives, cassava leaf meal plus morino leaf meal plus DDGS plus black soldier fly larvae. Thank you and keep excelling at Light Tech Academy, powered by Light Tech Solutions Limited.